Hi, I'm Debi Peverill, and you're listening to the weekly tip from Painless Financial Training Group, Inc. Today I'm talking about cloud-based software and the Canada Revenue Agency requirements around those documents. So a lot of cloud-based software has become more popular. Certainly the pandemic has hastened digitalization of some of these things. And the common packages that I see are Xero, Quickbooks, Sage, FreshBook, Wave. There's a number of them. And the concept here is, of course, you pay a subscription to have access to the software. If you stop paying the subscription, do you still have access to your records? This is something you should know if you are using those softwares, because CRA has a requirement that you must maintain digitally or electronically any documents that were created digitally. So if you have used a cloud-based software, you must have access to that software if CRA wants to audit you. And, some of this, even in the past, if you had a desktop version of Sage, as long as you kept that version of Sage, if CRA came, they could bolt their software onto your software and they could do the audit that way. This is what they would like to do. And of course, there's a requirement that you make that happen. You can't just print out all your Sage documents and show them to CRA. If they're created electronically, they've got to be maintained electronically. So if you're using cloud-based software for anything where you might need to show CRA a record, it would be a good idea to find out what the procedure is if you stop using that software. Because the options are, of course, that you stop using it now and you pay for it for the next, 6 years in order to be able to show CRA an electronic version. So check that out. You might be able to download what you've got into Excel, or you might be able to transfer it into another program. But the time to find this out is before you actually decide you're not going to use this software anymore, because you certainly don't want to have a problem with CRA.